Understanding valve seat in everyday English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel where we break down English phrases and jargon to make it easy for you to understand and use in your daily life. Today, we're diving into the phrase, valve seat. You might have heard it in a mechanic's shop, in an industrial setting, or when discussing engines. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in a sentence. So let's get started. The phrase, valve seat, is made up of two words, valve and seat. A valve is a device that controls the flow of a fluid by opening and closing an orifice. A seat, in general English, usually refers to a place where something rests. When we combine these two concepts, a valve seat refers to the surface that the valve rests on when it is closed. In an engine, for instance, the valve seat is critical because it ensures a tight seal for the valve, which is necessary for the engine to function properly. It's like the chair for the valve, designed perfectly for it to sit and seal tightly. The importance of a valve seat can't be overstated. It's essential for maintaining the efficiency of an engine or pump, preventing leakage of fluids, ensuring that the systems operate under the right pressure conditions. Without a proper valve seat, machinery could fail, leading to costly repairs and downtime. Now that you know what a valve seat is, here are some examples of how to use this phrase in a sentence. The mechanic said the valve seat needs to be replaced due to wear. A good valve seat is crucial for engine performance. When refurbishing old engines, one of the first things to check is the condition of the valve seat. To fully understand valve seat, it's helpful to know a few related terms. Valve guide. This is a tube that holds the valve in place as it opens and closes. Valve lapping. This is the process of creating a smooth and tight seal between the valve and the valve seat. Valve clearance. The space allowed for the valve to move efficiently within its housing. Understanding these related terms can give you a better grasp of the mechanics involved when someone mentions a valve seat. And that's a wrap on the meaning of valve seat. I hope this explanation helps you understand this mechanical phrase and how it's used in context. If you're into DIY projects or car repair, knowing this term will definitely come in handy. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning!